Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. If the number in the center is the sum of rest of the numbers, then b equal to what? So let's write all the given numbers. 4b plus 3 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 5b is given equal to 62. So let's add all the numbers and the variable terms together. So let's see, 4b plus 5b is 9b, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 3 is 8. So 9b plus 8 equal to 62. So we are left with 9b equal to 62 minus 8, which I got after transposing 8 to right hand side. So we have 9b equal to 62 minus 8 is 54. And then b equal to 54 by 9. So b we get equal to 6. So answer is option D.